Welcome to Solidworks tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about pan and zoom feature. Pan and zoom feature basically relates with computer mouse, that how do we use computer mouse in Solidworks. So to understand this feature, we will have to open up a drawing file. I go to this file and select open. Then we will have to browse the component in their file format. Suppose I select the format that is a part file SLDPRT, and we have to open a component. Suppose I select the model number 1, select this model number 1 and open. And we have created this model number 1 using different commands, such as we can find this command boss extrude 1 2 3, then cut extrude 3 times. If we want to zoom on this component, we will have to use roller of the mouse. To zoom in, we have to rotate roller in inside direction. So I click here, just make a single left click and then rotate the roller, and we will see the component is zooming in. Similarly, to zoom out from this feature, rotate the roller in reverse direction, and that is the way of zooming in and zooming out. Another way is that how to zoom in on a particular area or particular part. To use this feature, we will have to take the cursor on that part which we want to zoom in. Suppose I want to zoom in on this circular hole. So take the cursor on this hole, then rotate the roller, and we will see this circle is now zooming in. We can zoom in on this circle, and similarly we can zoom out. We have also option for zoom in and zoom out in there. Zoom to fit. If I select the zoom to fit or press the shortcut key F, the part will automatically fit in this working space. Another option is zoom to area, and it is highlighting that zoom to area you select with a bounding box. I select the zoom to area, and then we have to select a bounding box. Bounding box means we have to hold down the left click and make a box of it. We can see it is highlighting a box of this blue color. Suppose I want to zoom in on this circular cut, fill the cut in this box and leave the click, and the part will automatically zoom on this cut part. Then we can press the escape key to exit from this part and rotate the roller to zoom out. To pan on this component, we have option. We can also make a right click there and we can select this pan, and it is highlighting a plus sign. So now we can hold down the left click and pan the part. Similarly, and to exit from there, we can press the escape key from keyboard. We have more options. If I right click on this, then zoom to fit, zoom to area, zoom in, rotate view. I select the rotate view and hold down the left click and rotate the cursor. We can see the component is now rotating. Also, to directly rotate this component, we just have to hold down the roller, drag the cursor, or the component is rotating about the axis.